in southwestern Indiana. Spencer County in
This is
southwestern
full warrant.
Indiana.
They should activate soon.
At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Linville to near Boonville to near Newburgh, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Poop.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
We're back.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Rockport, Dale, Linville, Grandview, Santa Claus, Folsomville, Eureka, Elberfeld, Crispy, Tennyson, and Gentryville.
No, not Santa Claus.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 6 and 8, and between mile markers 21 and 22. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 30 and 60. Repeating, a severe
Alexa,
thunderstorm
play
warning
Hot
has
96
been issued
FM.
until 6 p.m. for the following
Fuck.
counties in Indiana.
Play Hot
Spencer
96
and
FM.
Warren.
Hot 96 FM continue.
Taking a look at your 7-day local forecast. Tonight, mostly cloudy.